Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can download your Cash application on your Android device. Keep watching the video till the end. To download your Cash app, firstly open up your APK application. On the search box at the top, type in Cash app and make a search. You're going to see the search results displayed on the screen. Simply tap on Cash App application and click on Install button at the bottom of the page to start the downloading process. While downloading an application, make sure that you are connected to a strong internet. After installation process is completed, tap on Open button to launch the application. Open the application and that is how you will be able to download your Cash App quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.